Yesterday, the Prime Minister, along with while he was addressing a lot of industrialists at the UP, Investor Forum, he did, talk about how it is not a problem to be seen along with industries along with industrialists, and also cited how Mahatma Gandhi and G.D. Birla had a close association. How do you really view those comments, especially at a time when so much?
If Narendra Modi was Mahatma Gandhi, and some of his industrial friends were G.D. Birlas, we would not have said anything. See, the fact of the matter is that nobody can object to industry-friendly policies. But there is a huge objection to industrialist-friendly policies, right? And we have seen in the last few years, since 2014, which industrialists have prospered, right? We want industry to prosper, not industrialists because of their proximity with certain powers. So
has it really become a bad thing to be seen with industrialists, or especially after the entire Nirav Modi?
Why would it be a bad thing to be seen with?
And while the industry on the other hand is saying that it was a much needed vote of confidence that the Prime Minister.
We have complete confidence in the industry, and we have complete confidence in policies that support industry. But we are somewhat skeptical about the manner in which this government has supported certain industrialists.
So I just have one more question to ask. Yesterday we did see how the TRAI chairman R.S. Sharma, he put out his Aadhaar details in public domain, and after that a lot of his personal details, while he has been in the government for a very long time, those details we understand could be online, but his bank account details, all those were compromised. Is there a huge question mark on the Aadhaar being linked to all the other facilities as well?
If Mr. Sharma doesn't worry about his bank account details being in the public domain, well, we have no objection to that. But I don't want mine to be in the public domain. As far as these issues are concerned, let's await the Supreme Court judgment and see what happens.